Hey my loves, my name is Cherri and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very special because today is my mom's birthday. Mom, say hi.
Hi.
So my mom is turning 60 years old, and to honor her and her 60 years on this earth, I decided to do a video making her over for her 60th birthday. Are you excited, Mom?
Yes.
Yeah? Alright, so let's just get into this video. We are going to beat this face. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is prime her face. So what I like to do, I just put a little bit around the face, maybe a little on the nose. Because when you turn 60, you want to feel and you want to look radiant. Ain't that right?
You know it.
How does it feel to be a 60-year-old lady?
For one, I don't feel 60.
You don't feel 60?
No, I don't feel 60.
Well, how old do you feel?
I feel maybe
30?
55.
Mom,
Not 60.
is there a difference
Yeah, it's a difference.
between the age 55 and...
I can still beat some kid running to the corner. I can still drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's... You let it down like it's warm.
Okay.
My mom, she doesn't like too much. She likes very light, minimal makeup. So I'm not gonna make her look like me. If you can give your 20-year-old self a bit of advice, what would it be?
Stay single as long as you can. Do the things that you want to do. Travel, education, finish school. Do all of that before settling down and having kids. Some women don't want to. Some women don't want to be alone. Don't want to be single. They rush. But 20s, I think you should take your time and do a lot of things before settling down. You have a whole life ahead of you. Education, I feel, is very important. I think that if the opportunity is there for the young people to get their education, I promote education. In the 20s is when you're supposed to enjoy your life, experience a lot of different things.
What about your 30s?
30s, you still don't have it together. 30s, you still, some people are still living like in their 20s.
Acting 20 when they're
35.
30, pushing 40. They need to get it together.
Yes, 30s is still making decisions. 40s, you should be on the train by 40.
If not,
you're gonna get left
behind.
Left behind. 40s, you should be in your career, in your job. You should know exactly what you're doing by 40. Most of us should.
Well, 30, I feel like also, because at 40, if you wanted to settle down and stuff, you better hope it's not too late.
Right, but sometimes people change their careers and stuff in 40s too. It's not too late. It's not too late. 50, you better know what you're doing.
So, what is your most proud moment? Or moments?
Well, my proud moment is my kids.
Oh.
Giving birth to my kids.
You like to travel. What is one of your favorite destinations that you've been to?
Costa Rica.
Costa Rica.
Yes. And when I looked it up, paradise it is.
Is there like a most memorable moment from that trip? Because you've been to a lot of places. Like you've gone to Hawaii, you've traveled overseas, like Costa Rica. That's more of a recent trip for you.
Well, you know what was very nice about that trip, that vacation. When we had our cook came and cooked for us. He made lunch for us, and that was delicious. And he came back later and made dinner for us, and that was great.
I like the ATV ride.
Okay. I had to get myself together with that one, but after I got it, it was good.
When you was riding the thing, I couldn't even drive.
Well,
It was like, no, not you.
it's either do or die. Either I'm going to ride it, or I'm going to tail it. So I choose to drive it and be up front with the leaders. I didn't want to be behind.
Are you trying to say I was behind?
Well, you was back there.
Listen, I was in the back because I had no choice.
That's okay. Next time you get on the ATV, you'll know, you'll have more experience with it.
Are there any other destinations that you...
Jamaica.
Oh yeah, Jamaica.
I love Jamaica.
Yeah.
Negril.
The grill is way
Yes.
better than Montego Bay.
Yes, I love
Montego
Negril.
Bay and Ocho Rios.
I love Negril. And where we stay up on the cliffside is breathtaking. Nice. The people are nice where we stay at. The cottages are nice. The workers are nice.
What are your goals for, I don't know, the next 10 years of life? Because now you're coming up on retirement and you'll have free time to do whatever you want.
Well, when that day comes for me, it'll be somewhat traveling.
Do you have any specific destinations that you would want to travel to?
Well, I have a whole list, but I know Greece is one.
Greece.
I want to go back to Hawaii.
Yeah.
And I want to do some United States trips also.
You gotta do like Colorado.
I want to do a lot of road trips also. A lot of places in the United States that we should experience. We don't have to always get on a plane and visit other islands and other countries. A lot right here in the USA.
What other destinations do you have in mind?
Dubai.
Dubai.
I would like to visit there one day. That might be my retirement trip.
What are you doing for your 60th? That's a good question.
Well, that's a good question. I know I'm going out that morning for breakfast. And later on, I'm having car service for dinner.
Where are you going for breakfast?
I'm not sure exactly, but it'll be in Manhattan.
So Mom, besides your kids and stuff like that, what are 3 things that you are most proud of for yourself? Like, not involving other people, like things that you have done that you're proud that you've, accomplished those things.
Well, I do a lot of things with kids.
Like community work.
Well, I do community work. Well, I'm with kids all the time, so I'm always
She works in a school.
trying to encourage kids every day to just do better. Be positive.
Is there something you wish you could have done when you were younger, or maybe even now, that you haven't done yet? I know, like, besides traveling.
I wish that I had pursued my stayed in the fashion industry. Because I still sew. I like that. Maybe by now I would have had my own boutique, my own business. But it was very competitive back then.
Yeah, it still is.
It still is. Very
Maybe
competitive.
even worse.
Sometimes I wish I would have stayed in.
just do your own thing.
And do my own thing.
And whoever liked it, then they would have liked it. If they didn't, then they'll find someone's fashion.
But you can best and believe and be sure of, when I step out now, they know that I was there. I was there. Because I can take anything and cut it up and change it around. Or I can take time and sew it. I remember being at a training for my job, and we had to introduce ourselves, and for whatever reason they wanted to know what high school you came from. And I did mention that I came from high school fashion industry. And I think I was like maybe one of the oldest ones in the room. And everyone in the room said, "Oh, we can tell that you still got it." I thought that was cute.
Yeah, it was cute.
Yeah. So I feel like that phenomenal woman.
By Maya Angelou.
Yes.
Just have to do
Well,
lips.
I feel that when I step in any room, I feel like a queen.
Aww.
I feel that the eyes are all on me.
Alright you guys, so that is the end of this video. This is how my mom's makeup turned out. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Comment happy birthday to my lovely mother. She turned 60 years old, and yeah, give her some birthday shout outs. If you would like to be my Amore, definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Do you have any final thoughts, mother?
Be yourself. Enjoy life to the fullest. Help people along the way. It makes your life even better when you help people along the way. And I always trust God in anything and everything that I do. I always put Him first. And He has shown up and showed out all the time for me.
Numerous times.
Numerous times.
Amen.
Thank you. Thank you for my 60th.
Yay!
Yes.
With that being said, we will see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.